Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of The Power of Small. Recently I was traveling and we were walking along a beach and we saw what was a horrible sight. We saw hundreds of pounds of plastic littering the beach. I was shocked to see hundreds and hundreds of pounds of waste plastic on the beach. So what we decided to do is collect some of that plastic and let's try to make it into something useful. Take locally available plastic and just chop it into little pieces with a second piece of equipment. That chopped plastic is now ready to turn into finished goods. Plastic that was the wrong shape, an old pop bottle, an old broken chair, something else. That is now going to be turned into finished building materials. The chopped up pieces of plastic are put into the hopper, they pass through here, and then they pass into a die. In the die, the plastic is turned into a sheet, which then passes through the rollers and becomes siding. And we're doing all of this with about 220 volts, 20 amps. So we're not using a huge amount of power. This siding can be 7 inches wide all the way up to 18 inches wide. And the roofing sheets can similarly be 12, 16, 18 inches wide. We can also bring with us small amounts of colorant, where I need to bring only a couple of pounds of plastic colorant to make enough colored plastic for the sheeting or the siding on 1 or 2 houses. So what we're able to do literally here with the power of small is take waste plastic that are now considered waste and are the wrong shape and make them into useful products like siding and roofing that are the right shape, from being a garbage to being a resource, and that way we can clean up our world and create a better living for everyone.